Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. And guys, we're doing this old school. I don't have my tripod. You're going to get a little shakiness here and there. Maybe in a different angle I'll be able to set it up to where it's not so shaky, but hey, since we're going old school, back to when I didn't have a background, we're going to do with what started it all, the coin roll hunt of dun dun dun! A box of pennies! Yes, we're doing a box of pennies, guys. First one on the East Coast. It is sealed. We got our knife out. Remember, like the crazy Russian hacker says, welcome to my laboratory, where safety is #1 priority. Here we go. So we're going to give this a little score. Trying to do this all with one hand here on the camera and one hand on the box. Hopefully this is circulated. If not, oh yes, we have circulated pennies. We will go through them, see if we find any enders, and if we do, we will open them live on film. If not, we will be back with the world famous Penny Med and get this search started. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. And guys, we got our penny mids, but no enders. There is some dark stuff in there, so I'm hoping to find some good things, because this is the first East Coast box. And hopefully we'll be getting our stuff here soon, and I'll be able to start doing live streams again shortly. But hey, at least we can make some videos. And eventually make better videos when I have the rest of my gear. But we'll make do. Here we go. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. As you can see, we got through the first penny mid. We got 4 to go. So far, not too bad, guys. This right here is a plethora of 2017 Ps. I just pulled that out because I was shocked to see how many I'd find. And then the first 2018 P that I find in a search ends up being, and this is what cracks me up. I can't believe I can't get this to focus right. Let me see if I do it this way, guys. I'm sorry. That's really strange. Well, it's a 2018 D. There it goes. So we got a 2018 D. Here's a pile of 70s to 81, 60s, and then these are 82s. We found a really nice 1979 Philly. Really, really good condition, guys. And I don't even like put my fingers on it anymore, but since I found these in circulation, I'm not going to worry too much. We got another really nice 1978 Philly, and I mean pretty much uncirculated condition. Really, really good looking coin. And then this one here is a 1975. I just liked the tone, and overall condition wasn't too bad, but this next one is really nice. This is a 67 Philly that we found. It's got a couple of spots, but the field is nice, the back is nice. Can't go too wrong, guys. And I apologize for the view of the sink and everything. I'm trying to do this with one hand instead of with the whatchamacallit. Oh, here we go. So here we got our first Wheatie. It's got something weird on the back, but this one is a, let me see if I can get it to focus in here. Wow, this camera is just not cooperating today, guys. Well, this one is a 56 Philly. Then we got a really, really nice looking 55 Philly. There it is, a 55. It's nice looking Wheatie in the back. And then we have a 1945 Philly. And when we get to having a different spot to be able to do the filming, guys, there will be a better angle so you can see everything better. And then the last Wheatie we got is a 1946. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Wheaties, a bunch of 2009s. Oh, we found 2 Canadians. We got a 1998 Canadian. And those actually flip side to side. I just have a habit of doing that. And then this one is dun, 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 another Canadian. It's a 1988 or 98, I'm sorry. And then this last one I found, guys, is really cool. And I really apologize for the camera. And this one here is a weirdly off-struck coin. It looks like it's kind of pressed in a weird way, and it's really hard to tell in this camera, but it is offset and it's pretty cool. This on the back side you can get it a little better. So not too bad, guys. Not a bad start. We're gonna get to the next penny mid and see what we find. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. And guys, not too bad. So I'm going with the same format. These are the 2017 Ps. Just wanted to know what was there. These are 82s. There's a number of coins that I normally would keep, like 92 Ds and a few others that I'm not really seeing here because this is the East Coast. This is the 70s and 80s copper. The 60s copper is a little bit bigger in this pile. And guys, we got 4 more Wheaties. Yes, we do. We got right here a 1956 Philly. And I'm still having that issue with the camera wanting to focus. There we go, 1956. Oh wait, I was wrong. It's a Denver. Oh man. All right, and there's the back. Kind of looks almost a little wood grain, but not quite. And then here we have another 1956. This one is a Philly. A little bit more circulated, but this one right here really shocked me, guys. This one is a 1948, I believe. Yeah, there we go, a 1948 Philly, and really nice shape for something that's been in circulation, 70 years basically. And then we have a 1941 Philly. So 4 more Wheaties, guys. Not too bad. So we're going to get into the next penny mid and see what we find. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins, and we got through the 3rd penny mid. Not as impressive as the last one, but we did find some cool stuff. Again, plethora of 2017 Ps, the 70s and 80s copper, 60s copper, 82s that I'm going to look at later. We found a really, really nice, pretty much uncirculated 1979 Philly. And this thing is pretty nice, guys. Not much damage, not much in the way of scratches or dings, so kind of happy with that. If you're an entry level, you guys get to keep seeing my sink and my dirty pot. Sorry about that. Let's see here. And then we got a 1957 Denver Wheatie! Wheatie alert! Wheatie alert! The Wheaties are doing really good this time, guys. Really happy. And then the second Wheatie we got is a 1948 Philly. So far, not too bad. We got 2 more penny mids to get through. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. We have gotten through the 4th of the penny mids. We have some good finds, guys. The 2017s are slowing down quite a bit. The copper from the 70s and 80s is still doing strong, and the 60s is kind of slowed down again, but we did find a really nice... Oh, come on. And if my tripod was here, I could make this work better, guys, but a 1976 Philly penny, pretty much uncirculated. And of course I'm getting my dirty paws on it, but it's okay. Then a really nice 1969 Philly. in pretty decent condition for being in circulation all those years. Then we got a Bird Cent from Canada. This is their commemorative from 1967. I found a couple of these on the West Coast, but they're not that easy to find there. Really cool to get that. And then we got two more Wheaties. We got a 1942 Philly. And then a 1953, it looks like. Let me see if I can get this to focus in for us. Yes, a 1953 Philly. Not doing too bad on the Wheaties. This one's more like a red-brown in really good condition, guys. So we're going to get to the next and final penny mid and see what we find. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. And guys, this box is blowing my mind. Really, really cool. We got through the last penny mid. Here's our 70s and 80s, the 60s. Look at this, really, really nice. Guys, I cannot believe, and I've talked about this many times, about times that I've teased even my buddy Victor Cruz of Flea Market Coin Hunters, that being on the East Coast is a true advantage to coin hunting. This is a really nice looking 1975 Philly. Just gorgeous. And then we got a 1964. It's got that little brown spot on his shoulder, but for the most part, he's a nice looking coin for being 50 plus years old. Then we found another Canada A Bird Cent, 1967. This one is pretty roached out, but guys, it's a Bird Cent. It's a commemorative, and it has a value over a penny. See my hands dirty like always. And then we found a 1939 Philly Wheatie. Guys, this box is epic. So what I'm going to do is get all this together, and we're going to do a quick wrap-up, highlight, and show it as one big pile. RavenHawk Coins, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawk Coins. And guys, here's the final highlight of the first box on the East Coast. Unbelievable. We have 13 Wheaties. Yes, let me repeat, 13 wheats in one box. I don't remember the last time I've done so well with wheats. We also have some very, very gorgeous examples of uncirculated pennies. And if you were, trying to fill your book, this is the way to go. For a penny a piece, you can't go wrong. And like I've always said, face value hunting is unbelievable. We have from 1939 all the way up to 58 was the last one that we had. No, 57. So I didn't even end up with a 58 in the wheats. 13 wheats. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, 13. Then we have 2 Canadian Bird Pennies from 1967. 2 more Canadians that visited us from up north, one is a 91 and the other one is a 98. I'm sorry, I messed up the date earlier. And then this last one, guys, I wish my camera was doing it justice so you could see it better. In the way it looks like it was filed, but then when you look under a jeweler's loop, it's not. It wasn't actually sanded. It just gives that appearance because it looks like it got pinched in the machine. And then you can see in the back, it's got an offset. It is to the West Coast, which is kind of funny, but pretty cool. So guys, we will be getting back into live streaming as soon as our stuff gets back or into our possession, but I am going to try to put out some more search videos in the very near future. If you want to correspond, it's ravenhawkcoins@gmail.com, and we will have a P.O. box in the near future. Make sure you guys take care of one another. Support all the channels out there. RavenHawk Coins. Have a great day.